We've all heard of clubbing, going on dates, and things like that. But have you heard of coffee dates? What even is that? I decided to go and check it out for myself. Basically, a coffee rave is Gen Z's way of partying. It's the new sober is cool, while also promoting coffee. So, my friend Tisha and I decided that we want to go to coffee raves and see what the hype is even about. So, we went to two different places. One was Shelby's in Sector 144, where Tisha was invited, and one was in Ikigai Defense Colony, where I was invited. And honestly, both of them were very, very different from each other. So here's how my very caffeinated weekend went.
लाखों है आशिक तुझ पे फिदा उनको भी तू आजमाना जाने जा
अब shy हो रहा है, but hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We're at like a coffee rave.
Let me show that.
Where are we?
Hi, say hi.
Hey,
Your host.
this is my account. This is my channel. I don't know what to do. This is the thing about vlogging. Now you don't know what to do, but like it just happens. Obviously, the quality is amazing. It's the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Of course, the quality is amazing. The music is great. But like I don't wanna cry right now. बाहर डीजे वाले गाने बजेंगे और यहाँ पे अभी बहुत
Why are we
sad.
introduce that?
Why are we here? Tisha brought me here. This was an event she registered for, and now we are here.
So I saw this ad online, and then I was like, I need to start networking for my agency, and then the first person that comes to my mind for hanging is always Ahana, and then that is why we're here. We are here to network. We're here for a coffee rave. It's a coffee rave, right? We are here for a coffee rave, and let's hope it is fun because we met a few nice people that you just saw.
This weekend is just us going to coffee raves.
Coffee raves,
Actually,
exactly.
that's the video. Going to coffee raves and deciding if we like them. That is Khushi. She's here from Gurgaon, and Noida wale salute her because that's a lot of efforts. And thanks for coming, even though this is not our event. Guys, say hi to my vlog.
Hey, nice to meet you.
And now I'm gonna put this on YouTube.
Yes. सबको आएगा. Hi, say cheese. Cheese to beer. Exactly. Cool content, mal content, and cheers to Shelby's and coffee. First in the history, 7 and everyone साथ. Let's go.
Thanks, man. That's a lot of finish for your vlog. Hi.
Hey, 1 second. वापस देना मैं QR कोड डालूँगा. Hello. Hi guys. Hello.
It's not coming. It's coming. I still don't know how to use it, so I'm very confused. You wanna say hi? I'll tag you. Hi.
Do we do this?
Yes.
Everyone!
Hi guys.
Hello.
Done. Now this is fun. This is fun. I'm enjoying this a lot.
अच्छा मैंने नहीं देखा. Sorry.
So this is very interesting. It's like we are exploring this today.
Yes.
We need some desi stuff यार. कुछ
I know, me
desi
too.
बच जाए यार. I really miss dancing with some
50
desi.
डिग्री में हम लोग बाहर ब्लॉग कर रहे हैं और हमें डांस करना है और बहुत गर्मी
और मैं फैशन के नाम पे इतनी गर्मी में टोपी भी पहन के
Oh, have you heard that audio?
No, not even like it's an Italian railroad all over. No, it's like that. Oh no, 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 no. कल करिए प्यार दी, आज कल करे रात मार दी, देखो तारे
हर एक
the next day.
Oh, golden hour. Your body is shining, bro. I like D&D when it's empty. है ना?
The one at Shelby's was honestly so much fun because we got to meet so many people who were different founders and creators from different areas, and we got to interact with so many of them and build connection that day. And in Ikigai, we actually experience what a good DJ set is like. So we got to experience both the networking part of it and the party aspect of it. And it was honestly so interesting that we are doing our own matcha rave, and the next video is gonna be about that. So I hope you liked this video and you enjoyed it. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for being here. Please like, share, subscribe, and do all that good stuff because it keeps me going. And I'll see you next time. Bye.